The memory power of the human brain is found in cerebrum, brain cavity, cerebellum, none of these. The correct answer is option A. The memory power of the human brain is found in cerebrum. Red blood cells are also called as erythrocytes, platelets, leukocytes, none of the above. The correct answer is option A. Red blood cells are also called as erythrocytes. White blood cells are also known as leukocytes, thrombocytes, erythrocytes, none of these. The correct answer is option A. White blood cells are also known as leukocytes. Which of the following arteries supply blood to head and neck? Coronary artery, carotid artery, mesenteric artery, intercostal artery. The correct answer is option B. Carotid artery supply blood to head and neck. The innermost layer of the heart is called epicardium, myocardium, endocardium, pericardium. The correct answer is option C. The innermost layer of the heart is called endocardium. The smallest bone in the human body are located in the hand, foot, ear, nose. The correct answer is option C. The smallest bones in the human body are located in the ear. The largest artery in the human body is called pulmonary artery, coronary artery, aorta, renal artery. The correct answer is option C. The largest artery in the human body is called aorta. The protective covering of the brain and spinal cord called skull, meninges, cortex, ventricles. The correct answer is option B. The protective covering of the brain and spinal cord called meninges. Human body needs vitamin K to produce blood, prothrombin, fat, none of these. The correct answer is option B. Human body needs vitamin K to produce prothrombin. The process of bone formation is known as ossification, resorption, fibrosis, none of these. The correct answer is option A. The process of bone formation is known as ossification. Where is the pituitary gland located? Brain, neck, chest, abdomen. The correct answer is option A. The pituitary gland is located in the brain. Where are the cells of the pancreas which produce insulin? Thymus, estrogen, corpus epididymis, islets of Langerhans. The correct answer is option D. The cells of the pancreas which produce insulin called islets of Langerhans. The most abundant protein present in the body is globulin, albumin, collagen, hemoglobin. The correct answer is option C. The most abundant protein present in the body is collagen. Which type of lymphocytes are responsible for producing antibodies in response to foreign substances? T cells, B cells, natural killer cells, macrophages. The correct answer is option B. B cells is the type of lymphocytes which are responsible for producing antibodies in response to foreign substances. Which bone forms the back of the skull and protects the brain? Maxilla, mandible, occipital bone, sternum. The correct answer is option C. Occipital bone forms the back of the skull and protects the brain. Which organ is the primary site for the production of lymphocytes? Spleen, liver, thymus, pancreas. The correct answer is option C. Thymus organ is the primary site for the production of lymphocytes. The outermost zone of kidney is called medulla, cortex, pyramid, both A and B. The correct answer is option B. The outer zone of kidney is called cortex. The inner zone of kidney is called medulla, cortex, pyramid, both A and B. The correct answer is option A. The inner zone of kidney is called medulla. Which of the following microorganism is used in milk curdling? Bacillus, Lactobacillus, Ectobacter, none of these. The correct answer is option B. Lactobacillus microorganism is used in milk curdling. Which of the following is responsible for the production of red blood cells? Liver, spleen, kidneys, bone marrow. The correct answer is option D. Bone marrow is responsible for the production of red blood cells. What is the scientific term for the collarbone? Clavicle, scapula, humerus, radius. The correct answer is option A. Clavicle is the scientific term for the collarbone. Where are the vocal cords located? Trachea, larynx, pharynx, bronchi. The correct answer is option B. The vocal cords are located in the larynx. The surface of the endoplasmic reticulum is rough due to the presence of Golgi body, organelles, cell membrane, ribosome. The correct answer is option D. The surface of the endoplasmic reticulum is rough due to the presence of ribosome. Proteins are made from amino acids by the process of hydrolysis, phagocytosis, dehydration synthesis, active transport. The correct answer is option C. Proteins are made from amino acid by the process of dehydration synthesis. The stapes and tensor tympani are two small muscles found in the eye, ear, tongue, nose. The correct answer is option B. The stapes and tensor tympani are two small muscles found in the ear. Which part of the neuron receives signal from other neurons? Axon, dendrite, synapse, myelin sheath. The correct answer is option B. Dendrite part of the neuron receives signal from other neurons. What is the scientific term for the voice box? Larynx, pharynx, trachea, esophagus. The correct answer is option A. Larynx is the scientific term for the voice box. The main constituent of hemoglobin is chlorine, iron, calcium, none of these. The correct answer is option B. The main constituent of hemoglobin is iron. Where are the appendix situated in the human body? Left hypochondrium, right hypochondrium, left iliac fossa, right iliac fossa. The correct answer is option D. The appendix are situated in the right iliac fossa of the human body. What is the name of the cartilage that covers the end of long bones, reducing friction at the joints? Ligament, tendon, epiphysis, articular cartilage. The correct answer is option D. Articular cartilage is the name of the cartilage that covers the end of long bones, reducing friction at the joints. Thanks for watching. Subscribe MCQ Challenger for latest informative MCQ.